Get some shades on. Let it off,
Hi everyone, today I'll make the video around Union Square. It's always being my favorite area because you can see a lot of store. Also it's similar like a Bryant Park, and you can see it's a favorite spot tourist as well, and someone can play the chess here.
Come on over, one game, young man.
You can see up there, so you can buy some stuff of present, and they sell the book as well. Some of jewelry and the factory.
I like that. I've just seen little. I'll make sure I get it. Yeah, okay, good. Gotcha.
So that's some of the estate living card. There's a craft, some of the jewelry as well, things found in New York. And this is a beautiful light that I can see. You can buy that for your room. And they sell the some of donut here, some of the doll. So a lot of store. It seems like a Bryant Park. You can find anything here.
No, I don't. It didn't taste as
And
good
they
as the
have
first
a
one. I will say that.
jams. The jams. And they also sell the plant. Is there any kind of spices? It's a honey. These are some of the shell. Maybe we can go to the other side so we can see more. Oh my god, there's a long line over there. Oh, they sell the Weber.
Literally no one. I don't care. I can never decide. Breakfast smells terrible. Everybody do that.
Some like ornament. It's good for the Christmas present. They made by the this one. Maybe I should buy something.
That's terrifying.
Which way? So we can go that way or this way first. Probably I'm gonna go to this way first. Then we try to go to that way. A lot of tourists has a spot favorite in here around this area. And sleepwear. It's so cute. And some of the jewelry.
Cats doing you.
There's a design by someone also. So this area, oh, there's a keys. It's very nice. I think I'm gonna go back to here. And you can buy some of the calendar from here, and a nice lighting for your
Okay. I live right next to the Williamsburg Bridge, so I walked across.
Is that cute here?
Workshops together.
Oh, it just smells. If you like the aromatherapy, they have this one. It's very nice.
I only
Smells so good.
part of it. It was like
This one. So this is from Tibet. Tibetan modern, like a craft. If you prefer the puzzle, they sell this puzzle as well. I feel like I was in the Thailand right now because I smell like aromatherapy. The candle also smells.
That town nearby where they had.
So let's go. We check at the other side before. It's more like a shop, coffee shop. You can smell coffee. And they have an empanada and tea. There's a cake. Smells so good. I wanna.
why do you drink the wine?
Oh, they make the recycle from the chopstick. It's so gorgeous.
I have more tickets. Meanwhile, I'm trying to have this man take off that shit and put this on.
So you can buy the hot chocolate, crepes. So this kind of love the branch, and when you try to grab some drink or the food, you can sit on this park. They have a lot of bench, so you can sit here to take a rest. So this is a favorite, but today kind of, and they have a water fountain as well. So if you just come and bring your bottle, so you can refill at the water fountain. So you can walk around. It's kind of big, and sometime so you can take a rest in other bench, and we can take a look outside. So at the outside, more store outside. So it's so cute. And they have a thermometer. And they have a bag. It's cute from the gym. Oh, this is coffee. So that's all the kind of tourist spot at the Union Square during the holiday. And today was December 19th, so 1 week before Christmas. So you can see the people
I got to Fifth Avenue.
still selling something here, so you can check it. Still a lot of people sell something. So usually in around this area, like if not the Christmas, they sell something, or there is the artist street around this area. So maybe if you love to share, you can spare $1 to the people around here, like when they do the entertaining. So you can spare a little bit your $1 from here. So that's it for today, December 19. And the temperature right now is kind of chill, like a very cool, like kind of cool, but not that cool. It's 36 degrees. So stay warm, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.